Hey guys, Graham here. Today was another great day out of the water. The weather was perfect, not too much wind, the water looked like glass, and I got my first inshore slam ever. Also, we saw this huge snook that had to have been 35 plus inches, had a huge girth on him, and he was just trolling back and forth against the mangroves, and I got a little bit of that on video as well. I hope you guys enjoy. I had a great day out there. It was a lot of fun to do, so I hope you have fun watching it. Stay tuned. Hey, buddy. Ah. Fish on. Little snook.